Hello everyone. So today I will explain you how to use Gizmo tool in CLO3D. So Gizmo tool is very important tool, and we can use this tool to move our object or arrange our object in 3D window. So how we get Gizmo tool? So if you left click on your pattern, now you can see the Gizmo tool. In Gizmo tool, generally we have arrows and we have plane and we have these arcs. And so first we will talk about how it works, and after that we will talk about the types of Gizmo tool. So here you can see when I'm clicking on this arrow, it become darker. So I can move my object in the direction of the arrow. I mean, I can move in upward direction. I can move in downward direction. So it works like that. If I talk about the second part of Gizmo tool, I can move my object in the selected plane. Okay, so I can move and I can adjust this. Also, we have these arcs, so we can rotate our object. Like here, I'm rotating my object by using these arcs. So this is main function of Gizmo tool. And one thing which is very important about Gizmo tool is when I'm selecting anything in 3D window, at the same time I can see a blue dot in my 2D window. So this blue dot is picking point, and here we have just the simple pattern, but in the case of multi-layered garment, we need this blue dot to identify the location of the pattern, selected pattern. And also here you can see a target icon. So target icon, if I click on this icon, left click, so now I can make arrangement, or I can place this object anywhere I want. Okay, so this is the function of this target icon. And now like we talk about the simple Gizmo tool. We call this screen coordinate Gizmo tool. So we also have two other Gizmo tool. They are local coordinate Gizmo, and the third one is window coordinate Gizmo. And how do we get those Gizmo? So you can right click on your mouse button, and you can see we have Gizmo here. So we can see like we are already using the screen coordinate. So this is the most of the people use this one, and this is perfect and like very easy to use. The second one is a local coordinate, and third one is word coordinate. So we can get our Gizmo here, or we can just go to preferences, and in preferences also we have these three Gizmo, like screen coordinate, local coordinate, and word coordinate. So we already talked about screen coordinate, and next we have local coordinate. So left click on this, and now we have local coordinate Gizmo. So when I'm clicking on this object, you can see it looks a little bit complex than a simple or a screen coordinate Gizmo. So we have arrows in both directions. So it based on object, and also we can use this Gizmo to move the joint of our avatar. So for this, we have to go to the X-ray mode, and now you can see we can select the joints of our avatar, and we can rotate, we can move in the direction of the arrow. And also you can see like we have this little guy. If I click on this. Now it is selected, and after selecting this, I can work on just one side, and automatically we can see the changes on another side. Okay, now I'm deselecting this little guy, so it works like that. Go to the normal mode. So next we have word coordinate gizmo. So let's select this. And to understand this kind of gizmo, let's go to the top. So now we can see we have coordinate in this 3D window. So if I select this object here, now we can see like we have our word coordinate gizmo, and we have the directions of arrow in the, like following the direction of the coordinate in 3D window. So it's a little bit different from a screen coordinate window and another one local coordinate window. So local coordinate window, we already talked, it's based on the object, whereas word coordinate window, it's based on the coordinates in the 3D window. So this is all about Gizmo. Generally, we use screen coordinate gizmo. So this is a simple gizmo. If I click on the simulation button, or I can press space bar, I can see my gizmo turn into this hand, and now I can adjust my pattern by using this hand. So this is all about Gizmo tool, and thank you so much.